This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
A Princess cruise ship just can't smash the noro bug. For the second time, guests were asked to debark the Crown Princess in port for deep cleaning. Now, this follows last week's sanitation efforts in Darwin. The 28-day cruise is circumnavigating Australia and has been embarking guests in many stops, which can make it harder to contain. Multiple guests on board have reported numerous cases of norovirus to our tip line. And during its annual meeting last night, Port Canaveral reported a record-breaking 7.6 million cruise passenger movements over the past year. Now, this is a 12% increase. The port saw 911 cruise ship calls with 13 home-ported vessels and parked nearly 914,000 cars. Now, in 2025, Central Florida will see 16 home-ported ships with 8.4 million passenger movements. Also jumping to 1,030 cruise ship calls. This includes the introduction of Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas and the addition of Princess Cruises and Celebrity Cruises. Both will home port for the first time. And NCL has chosen actor Eric Stonestreet, known for his role in Modern Family, as the godfather for its new ship, Norwegian Aqua. Stonestreet will christen the vessel at Port Miami on April 13th. This is the first in the line's Prima Plus class of ships and is currently under construction in Italy. After its christening, the 3,600 guest ship will be based in Port Canaveral for Caribbean cruises before relocating to New York and then south again to Port Miami. Stonestreet said he's excited about his role, calling it a once-in-a-lifetime honor. Very cool. And cruise stocks were mixed on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation down slightly, 25.08. Royal Caribbean up a half, 235.87. Norwegian down 1.1, 26.04. And Viking down 1.6%, 44.37. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. This week's podcast, a review of Carnival Vista, also at cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great Thursday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.